Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel once again. This is a week in the life. Last week, a recap of all what happened last week. Last trading week from the 14th to the 18th of July. As you can see, this is my Exness competition account. As you can see, I'm only up about 1,400, which is about 1.4%. And I was actually up about 10% on this account, but took some bad trades and it's now at 1.4%. Now let's look at what happened just this last week. You can see I lost about, let's say, close to 5%, more than 5% this week on the 14th. On this XAUSD buy, this good buy, I lost 2.4%. Then I got a little back on the sell side, $395. Then the very next day on the 15th, which was on Tuesday, you can see I lost around 1.5%. Then I now made $1,100. And then on Friday 18th, I lost about $1,900 on US30. Meanwhile, my first two trades, you can see here, my first two trades on the 1st of July and the 3rd, you can see, gave me, you can see here, gave me $10,000. Then I lost $3,000 on the 7th, made 2,500, 2,600 on the 9th. You can see this back-to-back losses here. So now the account is at 1,400. I've not blown it yet, but I'll still see what I can do before the month runs out so that I can get a free account or something. Now, what happened to the secret funded account? That one is even worse because the account is almost gone. I'm almost out of the competition. I can see I'm down to less than 1%. Less than 1%, guys. Less than 1%. So you can see. Now the account has a 8% max drawdown. So it's not like the funded net that has 10%. So I have just $822 to trade with. The rest can't touch it. So let's see if I can salvage something before the month runs out, because here I was up about, I think, $5. Let's see the history, about $5,000. Let's see the history. You can see on the 1st and the 3rd, I took the same trade I took on the funded next here, like 4,000. So I was about almost 6% up on this account. You can see, look at the trades I lost, and you can see I had more losses here than on the funded next because I was trying to bring this one back up. You can see so many losses, big losses, small wins. So that is how the funded account, that is how the competition account is for seekers funded and funded next. But I also have another account that I'm trading, another competition account, called Blue Guardian. Now this is the Blue Guardian competition account. In this one there is no lot size limit, so I'm trading currencies on this one. On this one I'm up 8%, about 8.3% on this Blue Guardian account, their competition account. So far, let's look at the last 30 days. I've had just one loss on this account. I think I'm seeing cleaner setups. Maybe because I'm trading currencies. I don't trade the indices here. Just once I traded indices here. So you can see I think I'm getting more cleaner setups on this competition account, and I'm very conservative with it. As you can see, just one loss out of about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. Just I won 6 out of 7. Albeit this is a scratch trade with a very small profit. So on the Blue Guardian Pro Firm competition account for the month of July, I'm up 8%. 8%. So that is it for the Blue Guardian account. But for the funded next, I've shown you. So I don't trade the same pairs. On the funded next and Seacrest, I trade only the indices because of the lot size limits on these competition accounts. So that's why I trade only the indices there. So that is it, guys. That is how my week has been so far. Then for my funded accounts, my challenge accounts rather, you can see this one now. This is a 6K account. I'm still on it, trying to get funded. One of the accounts I won, I'm still on it, And look at the other one I won in March. I'm still not past it. I think I'm trading too conservatively on them. I'm still not past it, but I'm still working on it. So let's see. This is the $1 good funded live account I bought. This is not a challenge, it's a live account, but there are so many restrictions on it. So many restrictions, like the maximum payout I can get from this funded account. This funded account is $100. It's capped at $100, and my maximum risk has to be less than 2%. Less than 2%. Once my floating loss goes to 2%, that is $20. The account is permanently breached. So that is it. That is it. I will see what I can do to get the payout from this $1 account. I paid about 1,526 naira for it. So let's see. And I have to make at least 0.5% for 5 trading days. For it to be considered a trading day, I have to make about 0.5%. So, and it has a time limit. Immediately I take my first trade, it will start counting down to 30 days. If I don't make any profit within that 30 days, I've lost everything. But it's just $1. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. So it's a new week. It's a new week. We are hoping to do some great things next week using the Chimoku. And you just have to stay disciplined. Stay disciplined. All these drawdown losses, most of them as a result of indiscipline. Like this account now, I took so many trades against my setup. That is why this account is like this. I was very aggressive with it. I took some not so high probability trades. That is why the account is like this. Also with this secrets, I was not so conservative with it like the Blue Guardian account. So I was very aggressive. That is why I'm having this. So there are some trades that did not fully meet my checklist criteria, and I went for it. So I'm not surprised that the accounts are like this. So next week hopefully we go to see more good setups. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.